How do you analyze the global nature of multinational corporations? To analyze the global aspect of multinational corporations is, is to analyze how they function in many nations, handling labor, resources, and markets globally. Cross-border investment, global supply chains, and methods for local market adaptation while supporting international standards are important considerations. Examine the role of regional coalition in the global economic system. They encourage economic integration, improve trade, and give member nations for negotiating leverage. Regional coalition are essential to the global economic system. Both member states and global economy gain from their assistance in lowering trade barriers, integrating laws, and promoting stability. The European Union, ASEAN, and MESCOSUR are a few examples of organizations that enhance regional competitiveness, draw in investment, and provide group influence on international commerce and policy. In addition to promoting regional prosperity, innovation, and environmental cooperation, this coalition offers a forum for contesting influencing global economic governance. What do you think would be the role of nation state concerning the changes in the world economic system? In changing global economic system, the nation state will remain important in controlling economies, overseeing monetary and fiscal policy, and maintaining national security. Governments will prioritize defending local businesses, tackling inequality, and adjusting to emerging issues like climate change and technological advancement despite globalizations. Through trade agreements, diplomacy, and involvement in international organizations, they will also have an impact on international trade and economic policy.